Hello everyone. Okay, I'm really excited to share with you something I'm thinking about. And first of all, we're looking at the motorcycle dash cam model D16X with the added, this is separate, you can add this and it works with this dash cam. It's the Bluetooth tire pressure sensors. And as you can see here, those sensors are active and working and accurate. Front 37.16 psi, pounds per square inch. The rear, RE is rear, 36.58 psi, pounds per square inch. Okay, what are we looking at right now on the screen here? Right now, we're looking at, this is the front camera and this is the rear camera, okay? Now watch this, I'm gonna put my hand back here. Okay, I'm putting my hand back here. This is the camera right here. See my hand? So this image is a little bit squeezed. It's squeezing that image when you, on this screen, when it has the front and rear camera on the screen, on the display, it looks like it squeezes the information just a little bit because it's trying to fit all that view in there, right? Now if we change screens, how did I do that? Here, right here. Now I'm looking at front camera, so it's no longer squeezed, okay? Let's see if we could see how much if we're losing much here. So over here, I can see on that side of that box, and over here I can see, what can I see here? I could see the edge of this box on the bottom right there. Okay, so let's now change to the front and rear cameras at the same time. That's the rear camera, that's the front and rear at the same time. So now, yeah, I can see that we're no longer seeing the edge of the box. Are we? Oh wait, we are. It's squeezed in there, I can see it. So it is showing almost the whole, or if not the whole image. I think the whole image is actually there. Now here's what my thought is, and I'm really excited to share this with you, is I'm thinking of, as one possibility, of putting these two cameras, one camera on the left side showing, acting as a replacement to the left mirror. So the left mirror is meant to show me this whole side of the motorcycle, right? So if I could mount that camera, I'm thinking of the Tesla cars, how the Tesla cars have the mirror, have a camera on the side facing this way, if I recall correctly. I think it's called Century mode, if I recall correctly. And that lets the car will record. I don't know if it's activity or if someone touches the car, I'm not sure of the specifics of that. But I'll be using this for riding the motorcycle when I'm riding it. And these cameras will be turned on while I'm riding. Now I could mount those cameras. I could mount one camera here facing kind of like at this angle here. So that would be like a 45-degree angle, right? Because that's 90, 180. So 45 would be between here and here. So it'd be right there. So at that angle, right there, I could see kind of like this blind spot that the mirror does not show the best, this area over here, right? It's just a thought, it's a thought. So I would have this side would show the left side of the motorcycle and this side could show the right side. I would have this camera mounted somewhere, let's see where I could put that. Probably somewhere down here, facing, again, a 45-degree angle, facing this way. And it would show this whole area. It's a thought. I just wanted to share that with you. I am interested in having video mirrors. These mirrors show so little, and some motorcycles have even very narrow mirrors for style. It's the style they have. And but I understand that, but I also really appreciate being able to see those blind spots. How can we see 360 degrees around us, right? I'm very interested in that. So this is one idea I'm thinking of. I'm really happy with where this is mounted. and the color is not correct right now. I don't know if it's my phone or the white balance. It's called white balance. It's off. But anyway, I'm sharing this thought with you, and we'll see what this leads to. At some point in time, I do feel that I will have some kind of camera system showing the left side, showing the right side, and then cameras showing the front of the motorcycle and the back of the motorcycle. So everything should be covered all the way around. That way I can see everything around me. Because when you have a helmet on and all the gear on, it's not that easy to turn one's head and look at that blind spot over here. In fact, I've found that I have to let go. If I let go of the handlebar, which we're not supposed to ever let go of the handlebars, but if I let go with my right hand, I can turn this way and look easier. And then if I let go with my left hand separately, so now holding the right hand, the right grip, and then letting go here, and I could turn easier to look back. But letting go of that grip is not something that I want to make a habit of, and it's not something I want to do. We're supposed to have our hands on the grips at all times, and especially when we're stopped, because if we have to move out of the way, if someone's going to run into the motorcycle, we have to be able to, that's why they teach us in the courses, in the CHP courses, which are the highest level of training, the highest level, and I highly recommend taking those courses. Those are available to everyone. They teach us to never let go of the handlebars. We always hold on to the handlebars, and if you're riding a motorcycle that has gears, we always have it in gear when we're stopped, not in neutral. It's going to be in first gear when we stop, and that way we can move out of the way if we need to. We always have to be ready to move. And if you look on YouTube, you'll see many people on motorcycles getting rear-ended, and they never even knew it was going to happen. That happens in automobiles as well, but in a motorcycle, we have much less protection. And I don't recall the saying at the moment, but it's something like having more knowledge and maybe more expertise and less accidents and less mistakes. There's an eloquent way that is said, and I don't have the words at the moment. I don't have it memorized. But we want to make less mistakes on the motorcycle and have more knowledge and more wisdom and more practice. So I'm excited to share this journey of my learning how to apply knowledge and wisdom as it relates to being safe on a motorcycle, traveling on a motorcycle, and enjoying motorcycle riding, as well as the journey of installing parts that I feel are going to contribute to that safety. Okay, everyone, we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.